if the slope of a line మనం ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ చేసాము the straight lines straight lines if the slope of a line is if the slope of a line is minus 1 by root 3 slope of a line is minus 1 by root 3 then its inclination is its inclination is dash inclination is dash see here the slope of line is given as minus 1 by root 3 we know that slope is nothing but tan theta therefore solution given that tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root that means what therefore theta is equal to 150 degrees అంటే tan 150 ఎంత tan 90 plus 60 tan 150 తీసుకుంటే మీరు tan 150 is equal to tan 90 plus 60 minus cot 60 tan 90 plus theta అంటే minus cot theta means minus cot 60 is 1 by root కాబట్టి minus 1 by root 3 సరిపోతుంది minus 1 by root 3 అంటే tan 150 degrees line therefore theta is equal to 150 ఇది inclination అంటే మనం theta వాల్యూ కనుక్కోవాలి we have to find theta is nothing but 150 therefore 150 అంటే ఎలా చూస్తున్నాం 150 is equal to 5 by 6 5 by 6 అంటే 30 degrees 30 into 5 అంటే 150 సరిపోతుంది అంటే inclination is 5 by 6 not change inclination is 5 by 6 inclination theta is equal to 5 pi by 6 theta is equal to 5 by 6 next second one if the straight line if the straight line X plus 4y plus 5 3x plus 4y plus 5 plus k into x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 is parallel to x axis is parallel to x axis then the value of k is then the value of k then the value of k is dash ఎప్పుడైనా సరే స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ if the straight line is parallel to x axis see given line is 3x plus 4y plus 5 plus k into x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ x ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ కూడా x ఉంటుంది ఒకసారి x. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తామంటే here and here x is taking common. So that implies x common is like balance part ఉంటుంది కదా 3 ఉంటుంది కదా, ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ k into x కదా k into x kx 3x x comes 3 plus ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ y కామన్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ y కామన్ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది కదా, ఇక్కడ 4 మిగిలింది 4 ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ k into 2y 2ky కదా, y కామన్ ఇస్తే 2k మిగులుతుంది ప్లస్ 5 minus 3 into k minus 3k is equal to 3. Create from the line is parallel to x axis. ఎప్పుడైనా వస్తారు స్ట్రైట్ లైన్ x axis parallel గా ఉందంటే x axis parallel గా ఉండే లైన్ లో ఏమవుతుందంటే x coefficient 0, x టర్మ్ ఉండదు. If the line is parallel to x axis, then the coefficient of x is equal to 0. Given that it is parallel to x axis. If any straight line is parallel to x axis, then it is having only y term and constant. X term అంటే x coefficient should be equals to 0. X coefficient of x should be equals to 0. Implies coefficient of x is equal to 0. Coefficient of x and x coefficient అంటే 3 plus k 3 plus k is equal to 0. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎటువంటి మైనస్ therefore k is equal to ఏమవుతుంది మైనస్ k. k value minus 3. k is equal to minus 3. Note చేయండి. If it is parallel to x axis, then coefficient of x is equal to 0. The 3 plus k is equal to 0. K is equal to minus 3. Coefficient of x is equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 1. If the line is parallel to x axis means then its x coefficient is 0. If it is parallel to y axis means its coefficient of y is equal to 0. Right? Okay. Next one. The equation of the horizontal line. The equation of the horizontal line. The equation of the horizontal line. Third one. The equation of the horizontal line. The equation of the horizontal line passing through the point 4, minus 7. Passing through the point 4, minus 7 is dash. See, horizontal line, any horizontal line is in the form of y is equal to k. If it is vertical line, any vertical, see, horizontal line is in the form of x is equal to y is equal to k. Horizontal. h. Vertical line అంటే vertical line is in the form of x is equal to k. ఓకే ఇక్కడ horizontal line ఉంది కాబట్టి horizontal line is equation of horizontal line is equation of horizontal line is y is equal to k. Y is equal to k. Any horizontal line is in the form of y is equal to k. See, this line clearly it is given that this line passes through the point 4 comma minus 7. See, horizontal line passing through 4 comma minus 7. Since it passes through this point must satisfy the line equation. Therefore, substitute this point in this line equation. That implies ఈ పాయింట్ కూడా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయడం మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే x ప్లస్ 4 రాయాలి, y ప్లస్ లో మైనస్ 7 రాయాలి. y ఎంత మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ y ఎంత x కోఆర్డినేట్ 4 y కోఆర్డినేట్ మైనస్ 7 అంటే x ప్లస్ లో 4 తీసుకోవాలి, y ప్లస్ లో మైనస్ 7 తీసుకోవాలి. y ఎంత కాబట్టి y ప్లస్ లో మైనస్ 7 తీసుకుంటే మైనస్ 7 ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు k అంటే k వాల్యూ మైనస్ 7. therefore k వాల్యూ మైనస్ 7, k is equal to minus 7. therefore equation of horizontal line is Therefore, equation of horizontal line is y is equal to k అన్నా కదా, y is equal to k, k వాల్యూ ఎంత మైనస్ 7, మైనస్ 7 అంటే ప్లస్ 7, y ప్లస్ 7 is equal to 0. Okay, next one. Okay, faster.